my name is Shelby Howard. Today is 10/9/2018. Today I'm going to be doing this video for Bio 225. The experiment is on environmental influences on microbial growth, salt tolerance, and pH testing. Let me go ahead and show you that. There you go. Okay. So first off, we're going to go ahead and take my S/VCA nutrient broth 15% tube, and I'll sterilize the top of it. And I'm going to do this with all of the S/VCA tubes, just so that I can go ahead and pipette the corresponding chemical, or the corresponding nutrient broth in there. I'm being careful not to touch any of the other rims or anything like that. Now I'm going to take my S/VCA nutrient broth, my original one, and I'm going to go ahead and sterilize the tip of this tube. I'm going to grab one of my pipettes that I already sterilized in alcohol, and I've already shaken it to dry. I'm going to go in, pull up some of the S/VCA, and in each one of my tubes, I'm going to go ahead and pipette 2 drops. I'm going to go ahead and pipette 2 drops into each one of my tubes. So here's 1 drop, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to take the rest and put it back in here for future experiments. I'm going to go ahead and place this in my bleach bucket. I'm going to grab it and sterilize the tip and recap it. And then I'm going to go through and sterilize each and every one of the broths and cap them, making sure not to touch any of the rims or anything like that. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and do the same with the S. epidermis. I'm going to go ahead and switch this around for me. I'm going to grab the 1% tube. I'm going to go ahead and flame that one first, sterilizing the rim. I'm going to put it back in my rack so I don't touch it or anything, and then I'm going to do my 15% one. And these are all the S/VCA tubes as well. They all need to be sterile. I'm going to do them all at once so that I can open that culture the one time and just pipette it off into every tube that needs to go. Okay, now I'm going to take the original S/VCA broth, nutrient broth that I have. I'm going to open it and flame that, and then this is the one I'm going to be placing my sterile pipette into and grabbing out enough to put 2 drops in each container, each test tube. So I'm not touching the edges, pulling up oops. I'm actually going to grab another one and test it because I just grabbed the same tube I just used a second ago. So let me go ahead and grab another sterile pipette. Let me close this one off. Here's the correct tube I was supposed to grab. Okay, and I already have another sterile one ready to go just in case anything happens. Okay, I'm putting 2 drops, 2 drops, 2. I'm putting the rest back in here so I have it for future use. Now I'm going to place that one off to the side. I'm going to go ahead and sterilize the top of this tube, close it, and I'm going to go ahead and flame all of my tubes so that they're nice and sterile. And I'm going to go ahead and incubate all of these. After they're sterile, I'm going to put them in my incubation location, and I'm going to let them incubate for 24 hours, and if I don't see any turbidity or anything, I'm going to go ahead and let them sit for another 24 hours, making it a 48-hour incubation. So I'll see you in 24 to 48 hours. Thank you for watching.